Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into the Google account you want cleaned. Open My Activity immediately. This is where Google stores searches, browsing, and app use. Once you're signed in, verify the account name at the top so you don't erase the wrong data. Make sure your browser permits the site to open new windows or dialogues because the one-click flow uses a prompt. Now, locate the main filter or delete menu. We'll use that next to build a single-click action sequence. Next, configure the delete parameters to capture everything you want removed. Use filters to set a date range like all time and pick specific Google products if needed. Once filtered, select delete and choose the single option that matches your goal, for example, all time to clear everything. Confirm the categories checked: search, YouTube, location, and web and app activity. After review, trigger the delete. The site will prompt one more confirmation. Accept it to execute the one-click removal. To finish, refresh My Activity and scan for remaining entries. If nothing shows, the delete worked. If data resurfaces because devices are syncing, temporarily disable Google Sync or sign out other devices, then rerun the one-click delete. If the interface hangs or the delete fails, clear your browser cache, try incognito mode, or use a different browser to avoid cached prompts. If you still see issues, change your account password and then repeat the delete to stop automatic resyncing across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.